Just install a piece of code on any website and watch visitors take out their wallets to buy your products and services. We converted 4312/6318 visitors into paying customers I.e. a whopping 68% conversion rate by using Fomo Proofs. Kitchen Cabinet Kings witnessed a remarkable 26.57% increase in conversion rate by strategically implementing targeted discount pop-ups on their website. Chubbies, the masters of captivating first-time visitors, showcase an attention-grabbing pop-up with a crystal-clear offer in the headline. Instead of a discount, they entice with a $10 cash incentive, adding a unique twist. The Dallas Morning News experienced a remarkable surge in newspaper subscribers by employing a sleek exit intent pop-up design. 100% Pure understands this concept and employs a captivating mystery offers pop-up to captivate visitors. And with time, it's only becoming more effective. Now, imagine using this strategy on your website/sales pages/landing pages, e-com stores, etc. More than 95% of people who visit your website, landing pages and offers just drop out. They don't buy. They leave and never come back. Social proof marketing helps turn your website visitors, Facebook/Google/LinkedIn leads into cash-paying customers by leveraging the power of influence. By showing positive reviews, testimonials, or even just a buzz of activity, like recent purchases, you mimic the effect of recommendations from friends. This makes visitors feel more confident, trust your brand, and think your product or service is worth trying. So, they're more likely to buy from you. 97% of consumers say knowing others bought the product impacts their purchasing decisions. Opt-in Monster. Showcasing people who bought from you on landing pages can increase conversions by up to 34%. HubSpot. Prevent customers from leaving their carts by reminding them and offering incentives to complete their purchases. Spend less money on marketing while still getting good results with smart automation and targeted messages. By simply sharing this info, you can trigger FOMO and the bandwagon effect. This convinces more visitors to become customers, who then draw in even more customers. It starts a never-ending and ever-growing cycle of conversions and sales. Our smart AI crafts a message that speaks to your audience, whether it's an exciting update, a special offer, or an important announcement. Then, it installs our Pixel, a behind-the-scenes tool that tracks how people interact with your message. Next, just install the AI Pixel into your head. AI designs an eye-catching, visually appealing pop-up that perfectly communicates your message. Get ready to captivate your audience's attention. No design skills required. Choose from 25 plus different notification pop-up as psychological trigger to boost your conversions, sales and profits. Effortlessly engage your website/sales page/landing page/online store visitors and turn them into paying customers. Plan out your marketing moves by using AI to set up different campaigns for various promotions, sales events, or product launches. Each campaign is like a game plan to grab your audience's attention and get them to buy. AI gets creative to make messages and images that really grab your website visitors' attention. These notifications can be like ticking clocks for limited time deals, special alerts for discounts, or pop-ups showing recent activity to prove others are interested too. Customize your notifications to fit your brand and marketing goals perfectly. See how many people notice your notifications by keeping track of impressions. Impressions tell you how many times your messages show up to visitors. Knowing this helps you figure out how well your campaigns are working and tweak your messaging to get better results. Expand your audience by using FOMO proofs in different languages. Whether your customers speak English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, or Arabic, you can make notifications that speak their language and connect with everyone. Keep a tight grip on where your notifications pop up by limiting them to certain websites. This way, you make sure your messages only show on the sites you've given the green light to, stopping anyone from using them where they shouldn't. Allow users to easily share your content with their friends on social media, bringing more traffic your way. Show off how many people have recently bought from you, so others feel more confident in doing the same. Get feedback from users by letting them give a score, making it simple for them to share their thoughts. Display your most recent conversions on your site by putting conversions pop-up and make your users feel more confident in doing the same. Built-in AI-powered tech looks at how visitors use your website and what they like. Then, it suggests products or content they might be interested in. This helps convince them to buy because they see things they like. Fomo Proofs clever tech looks at what people have done on your site before. Then, it predicts what they might do next. This helps you plan ahead and make your marketing smarter. Fomo Proofs uses AI to read what people say about your business online. It figures out if they're happy or not. This helps you see what's working well and what needs fixing. Fomo Proofs adds smart chat helpers to your site. They can answer questions, guide visitors, and even suggest products. This makes your customers happier and more likely to buy. Fomo Proofs uses AI to write stuff for you. It can make blog posts, and product descriptions, or write social media updates. This saves you time and helps keep your website fresh. In one click you can run tests to see what works best for your marketing. Then, the AI helps you figure out what changes will get you more sales or engagement. This makes your marketing stronger over time. Fomo Proofs sorts your customers into groups based on things like age or what they've bought before. Then, it sends them messages that are just right for them. This makes your marketing more personal and effective. Our advanced tech changes your prices automatically based on what's happening in the market. If demand goes up or down, it adjusts your prices to make sure you are making the most money possible. AI organizes your customers into different groups. This helps you send them messages that they're more likely to like. It's like giving each customer their own personal shopper. Help businesses also turn visitors and leads into paying customers by just installing an AI-generated code. During this special launch period, you're receiving the commercial license for Fomo Proofs completely free of charge.